Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Edge. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.